welcome to the Chicago Assembly Show. What we have here today is a combination of a bunch of our components put together that'll help your error-proofing needs. We have our new Qualifier Box. This box will hold up to 16 of our tools that'll operate in one system. And this is with our new expansion box. This expansion box will let you wire in light towers, boxes, which will help you light up and determine tool boxes. The system that we have set up right now tells me that I want to select this tool as this is lit up right now. And as I look up at my job on the screen, it'll tell me I want to run down one. I get a green light here, and then I also get a lock symbol because I had to do one setting, and I'm now locked out. Simply have to look down at my tool selector box and see that the next tool is lit up. I look up here, I see that I have two functions to perform. And now, once again, I would be locked out of this tool. I look down at my tool selector box, and it tells me I am on to the next tool for the next operation. We have the system set up now where the next piece comes down the line, and we're back to the first function. So this system working as a complete gives you all your positives, helps you error-proof, helps you not miss bolts, helps you not double hit bolts. All the tools in this system are all programmed with one remote control, works on all of our mechanical pulse tools as well as our clutch tools. Will help improve your error-proofing and help your assembly line. Panasonic assembly tools in the US. Thank you.
If you have any questions, you can contact us at 800-808-7168, or you can email us at sales@intmfg.com. We look forward to assist you with your manufacturing needs.